Hi, my name is Susan Lilly and I work for WVU Extension Service in the Family Nutrition Program. Today we are going to make crookneck squash pasta salad. Now I want to go ahead and make the dressing first because I think it gives the flavors longer to mingle. So we're going to throw that in first and make it. So here is our 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise, fat-free mayonnaise, our prepared mustard, our basil, and our garlic powder, and our pepper, and our orange juice. It's going to add a little bit of natural sweetness to it, I bet. And I'm just going to whisk that up, and then I'm just going to set it over to the side till we're ready to use it. Now, with your pasta, you want to follow the package directions on how you cook it, and you can use any kind of pasta. Whole wheat would be a great way to go, of whatever type of pasta you use, but I went with rotini today, but that's what I had in the cabinet. You could use macaroni, you could use rotini, you could use shells, whatever type of pasta you want. And you're gonna cook that as the package tells you, but I have already pre-cooked the pasta, so it's gonna be ready to go. So I'm gonna set that off to the side. You're also gonna need your large squash. I have already cut the ends off of our squash, and I'm going to cut it in half, and you wanna be very careful. And I did pre-wash and scrub all of our vegetables before starting, and my hands, just so we know. So we're dicing the squash. So I'm gonna cut it in a couple of layers, and then I'm going to cut strips. And you wanna watch your fingers and make sure they're not gonna be in any danger. Here's another one, cut it in half, or another wedge. And then we'll cut it in slices. And then I'm just gonna put them together, and I'm just gonna dice it up into little bite-sized, nice little pieces. Now, we are leaving the peel on the squash, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pour it in my bowl. Got all my squash in there. The next thing we're gonna do is my carrot that I did scrub. And carrots are great. They are high in vitamin A. What we're gonna do with the carrot, now that I've removed the ends, is we are going to shred the carrot. So I'm just gonna take it and I'm just gonna shred away. You want a medium carrot, medium size. So I'm gonna quit with this one little chunk. I may eat that as a snack. I'm gonna lay it off here to the side in one of my scrap little bowls. So I'm gonna get all of my carrot out of my my scraper. Okay, I'm gonna lay that over my scrap bowl. And this should come to about a half a cup. We have more than a half a cup, but I'm gonna throw it all in because carrot's pretty good for you anyway, so I'm just gonna throw it all in. I don't wanna waste any of it. Okay, and we'll get all my carrot in. All right, so the next thing that we're gonna do, I have pre-washed my spinach leaves, and I've pulled all the stems off, and I pulled out any bad leaves that didn't look too appealing. You don't wanna eat those. And what you're gonna do is I'm stacking them on top of each other. And I'm gonna roll it up into like a tight roll. And then I'm just going to cut them in little slices, little slivers. There we go. And I'm going to do about 1.5 cups of spinach that way. So that looks pretty good. As 1.5 cups of slivered spinach. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna dump that in. So we have our squash that has lots of nutrients in it for us that are healthy for us. Lots of nutrients there we're getting from all of these ingredients. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna dump in our half a cup of pre-cooked pasta, and we are going to add in a cup of cubed cheese. Last but not least, I don't want to miss any of this, so I'm going to get my scraper. We are going to add in our dressing. All right. And I'm going to mix up our pasta salad. Ooh, it's a beautiful colorful pasta salad. And I am going to just put a little bit in a bowl. This recipe would serve 5 adults, 1 cup servings, and 10 children, half cup servings. And so here we go. You have this wonderful recipe, this pasta salad, crookneck squash pasta recipe. So I hope you enjoy.